welcome back. I hope you all are having a fantastic day. Happy Tuesday. I am super excited because today we have a subscription that I really enjoy unboxing. As you can see from the title down below, today we have our July 2019 Luxury Divas box. Y'all, I love this box so much. It is always so fun, and I cannot wait to get in here and see what July has in store. June was fantastic, and I know this one is going to be just as amazing. Now, it does come in like an outer packaging, like a mailer bag. I just took that off. I have not peeked, so I am so ready to see what we got for July 2019. Before we dive in, I do want to remind you guys that we do have our 3,000 subscriber giveaway going on. So a link will be down below so you can go ahead and enter that if you have not already. It does end on the 17th at 11:59 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. And I am going to use a random comment picker to select our winner. Now, if you are new, I'm trying to lose my voice. We don't have time for that. If you are new, welcome. I am so happy you are here, and I do hope you would consider hitting that subscribe button. We'd love to have you stick around. We do all kinds of fun unboxings, giveaways, live streams, spoilers, sneak peek videos. Always such a fun time here, so hang out. Also, don't forget to smash that like button and leave a comment down below telling me what you think of the box. So, without further ado, Luxury Divas. This is one thing about this that I really enjoy. There is always a personalized card from your stylist. It looks like we got some chapstick. Usually we can get like Twizzlers or a little sucker or something. So chapstick is very appropriate for summertime, so thank you so much. I do want to also tell you guys, if you are not familiar with Luxury Divas, this is a subscription, or you can purchase a one-time box. If you purchase the one-time box, it is $35. If you purchase the subscription, it is $30 a month. Now, I do have a coupon code I will put down below, as well as a link that will save you $5 off your first month, or $5 off that one-time box. So with my code, it will be $30 for a one-time box, or $25 for your first month of the subscription, which is amazing. And I'm telling you guys, the value is going to be so much more than that. Also, keep in mind that Luxury Divas is so much more than just a subscription box. They offer they have a website and offer hundreds and hundreds of items. Anything in this subscription box you can find on their website, plus tons of other items. So definitely check them out. Like I said, that link will be down below. That coupon code will be down below. So if you haven't signed up yet, definitely consider. So I was styled again by Marina. She has been styling me for the last few months, and I think she has done a fabulous job. So it says, "Hello, Nicki. Summer is here, and what better way to spend it at the beach with my personal favorite Bohemian beach blanket. Hope you like it. Happy 4th. Love, Marina." And then this is her beautiful picture right here. And then, like I said, we got some Luxury Divas lip balm. So that's awesome. And then here on top, we have the LD Box Insider for July 2019. I love the tropical vibe we have going on, and I am so very excited, you guys. I do want to say a huge congratulations to Luxury Divas. They did win from a year of boxes, the 2019 US subscription box winner for Best Women's Fashion Box. Isn't that awesome? Yay! Congratulations, you guys. You have definitely earned it. You had my vote, and I think you guys are amazing. Now, inside, this actually looks like this is telling us some stuff maybe that's in our box. So we're not gonna peek. Now, on the back here we have Deborah. She is the owner, CEO of Luxury Divas. She is the absolute sweetest. So I'm just going to kind of briefly go over this. It says July, go do something fun. I can't help thinking that July means we are so much closer to the end of the year, holidays, than I'd like to be. As the second part of the year kicks in, we've all but forgotten our annual New Year's resolutions and are truly in vacation mode, even if we are still working. I can only speak for myself, but I know I am drifting off and daydreaming far too much about where I can go and what I could do. It's exactly these types of adventurous thoughts that are behind the items we've selected for you in our July LD box. Awesome! So let's get into the box. So this is what you see when you open it. So it is taped with little stickers. There is always a sheet on top that kind of goes over everything and tells you the overall price of your box. So this is what I'm seeing. I'm seeing some interesting stuff. So let's take a look here. So the total retail value of my box for July, the Go Explore, is $132. I would definitely say that's a good return on my money. So let's just dive in. I see something here. Oh, what is this? Are these like scrunchies? 2-pack scrunchie headbands. These scrunchie headbands are fashionable as well as functional. Functional. Style your hair with the elastic scrunchie, then glam up that style with the scarf ties. Let them simply hang down, tie in a bow, or weave through a braid. And it comes in assorted colors. It's valued at $15. I'm super happy that I got a black and white polka dot one. I think that is super cute. And how cute would this be with what I have on? I probably would just let it hang down. I think that would be super cute. I'm actually really liking these. This is like so cute. This is all like, this kind of reminds me of like Prada or Chanel or so. I don't know. And then we have the black and white polka dot, which I really love. So yay! I really do like those. All right, so our next item is a necklace right here. So let's see. This is a sterling silver and gold plated starfish necklace. There is no reason to pick either gold or silver jewelry. This beautiful starfish necklace gives you the best of both worlds in one stunning piece. Sterling silver and gold plating comes together in this necklace as a special reminder of the sea. This is a $30 value. And that is really, it's like multiple starfish. It is really pretty. All right. And then we have some socks, and I love that they're like low cut socks. Yay! I don't really wear socks, to be honest, that often, but when I do prefer the low cut like ankle or like no show socks. So awesome. Summer floral 4-pack ankle socks. Say hello to summer with this colorful and fun 4-pack of ped socks. These ankle-high socks are soft and comfortable with plenty of stretch. Wear them around the house as slippers to enjoy the novelty prints. And that is what I'll do because I very rarely wear shoes, like actual shoes. I'm a flip-flop girl even when it's like 10 degrees outside. So it looks like we have a really pretty darker pair here. And then we have a solid teal pair. Yay! We have a pair here with some hummingbirds. Those are super cute. And then we have this gray pair here with these flowers. Those are adorable. I love this. All right. Then we have got this guy right here. It does look like it has something sticky on the front. You guys see? Not sure what that is. Oh, you know what? It's from this. If you look right here, you can, it's from this, where this was inside the box and probably the heat outside. So that's what, okay, that's fine. Gray quilted crossbody waist bag. Versatile and compact, this faux leather bag is just what you need on your next excursion. Be hands-free and ready to shop and explore without carrying a handbag. Roomy interior and zippered, the adjustable strap allows for wear over the shoulder or around the waist. It could have come in black, red, white, gray, or navy blue. I obviously got the gray, and this is a $20 value. So we have our strap here, so you could do it as the crossbody. And then inside, let's see. We do actually have, there's a pocket right in here and a little zipper pouch. So that is awesome. So there we have that guy. I'm sure I can get this off. I hope I can. All right, so next we have got this, first of all, feels awesome. Luxury Divas Bohemian Beach Blanket. This is the ultimate all-in-one accessory every beach diva needs. With its versatile uses, this throw will become your new summer favorite. Used as a beach towel, shawl, or hip wrap. It does come in black and turquoise. It's $25. I'm glad I got the turquoise. I would have been happy with the black as well. Oh, and then it's got like the fringe. Okay, first of all, this would be, because I don't know if you can see, but it is ginormous. But this would be such a great beach blanket because it is, can you guys hear that? It's not towel material. It does not tell me what it is. Is there a tag that tells me? Because now I'm going to be curious as to what this is made. But it's almost silky feeling. Isn't it gorgeous? So sand is going to just fluff off. Everything's going to fluff and flick away. So I really like this. I love that it is round. Yay! Okay. And we have one more item in our box. This is from Fadivo, New York. Black and white and mint floral cover up. Walk the beach or poolside in this beautiful floral print cover up, extra long. The loose fit means comfortable wearing while providing plenty of sun protection. Pair with a beach floppy hat and become a seashore diva. Yeah. This is valued at $25 and I can wear my hat I got last month from Luxury Divas. Again, valued $25, and it could have come in black or green. This says black, white, and mint, so it's kind of a combination of black and green. So let's see. So this is super cute. I don't know how it's gonna look over a long sleeve shirt, but we will give it a go. It's called on my ponytail. It is, there we go. Okay, it got caught. This is really, really nice. So you see it's like, it is short sleeve. It is just really, really cute. I really like this. And it does, it like can cross over. This is fun. I like this. And it feels really soft. I like the way it feels. And then this like detail here. Awesome. So that was our luxury divas for July 2019. I again am very impressed. I do really like the subscription, and it kind of surprises me every month with what they come up with, what they curate, what they put together. I think it is amazing. So like I said, I will definitely put a link down below for you guys. So head over, check them out, as well as that coupon code to save you $5. So get you a Luxury Divas box, or even if you just like some of the items, check out their website and purchase something from there. You will not regret it. So I hope you all have a fantastic day, and I will talk with you guys with the next one. Bye.